Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable charitable mileage donation tracking with iMileage, full guide step by step clearly. To enable charitable mileage donation tracking with iMileage, begin by opening the iMileage application on your device. Log into your iMileage account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard of the app. Look for the settings icon, which is usually represented by a gear symbol. Tap on the settings icon to access the app's configuration options. Scroll down until you find the mileage tracking section. In the mileage tracking section, locate the option labeled Charitable Mileage Tracking. Toggle the switch to enable charitable mileage donation tracking. Next, you may need to input your charity details under the Charity Information section. Enter the name of the charity you wish to support. Add the charity's registration number if required for proper documentation. After entering the details, save your changes by tapping the Save button. To log a charitable trip, return to the app's main dashboard. Select the option for Add Trip or Log Mileage. Fill in the trip details, ensuring you select the purpose as charitable. Include the date, distance traveled, and any additional notes relevant to the trip. Once completed, save the trip entry. You can review all logged charitable mileage under the Mileage Report section of the app. This allows you to keep track of your contributions over time. For tax purposes, you can generate a report that summarizes your charitable mileage. To do this, go to the Reports tab in the app. Select Generate Report and choose the time frame you wish to include. Ensure the report covers only charitable mileage for accurate tracking. After setting the parameters, tap Generate to create your report. Your report will be ready to view or export as needed for tax documentation. That concludes the process of enabling and utilizing charitable mileage donation tracking with iMileage. Now you can support your favorite charities while keeping accurate records of your contributions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.